Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this OPPO. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts and select Add. Now just click on all of your contacts that you wish to add. I will go with those 3. To save your changes, hit the check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my contacts were successfully added. If you wish to delete one of them, tap on those 3 dots next to the one that you wish to get rid of and hit delete. Then select Add and set up the other one the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!